Hey guys, working on repairing the seat here for a 70s Moto-Ski Spirit. I've been thinking about doing this project for like 5 years. I bought the cover probably 5 years ago. It's just been sitting in the garage. Got a little busy. I made these last year, these little metal clips. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with those. So all that is 1-inch square tubing, and I obviously just cut it out. As you can see, I cut the pieces out. To make this shape, drill 2 holes in there, and I'm gonna actually fasten these to the frame because the original ones are rotted out. I'll show you in a sec. And then I'm gonna slide my piece of plywood into those, and that's what's gonna hold down the front of the seat. And then the back of the seat, I'm gonna use these bolts with these, forget what these are called, but they're threaded and they pull into the wood. So I'm gonna be showing you how to repair this seat. It's got chewed up by mice. It's been repaired once before, not by me, by someone else back in the day in the 90s. They put this piece in the back here. So it needs some more repair. The mice ate all that. So I'm gonna fill that up with foam. Got some extra foam. We're gonna do the light, hopefully. So yeah, let's get to it. First thing, so I got this board cut. I cut this board 2 years ago. So I'm just gonna mark the holes, cut those out, and the holes in the back, and then I'm gonna sand all this so the edges are smooth so it doesn't tear anything, and then we'll get to painting it, and then hopefully, yeah, doing the seat cover, so stay tuned. Okay, so I currently have it out on this storage shelf. I'm just gonna cut these old tabs off. I'm going to put these here. Probably right there. I'll hit all this with some paint before I cover it up. Okay, yeah, we got them there. So this is where it needs to end up. So we don't cut that out, we want to cut ahead of it so that we can put it down when the seat's all on and shove it forward and it'll lock in. So we're actually going to cut out like right here. Something like that. It can actually be bigger, but I'll just try to keep it as tight as I can. Pretty close to going. Okay. You'll feel it, and then you gotta shove it ahead. That'll be good. That'll lock into place there. It's pretty even there. I mean, it could go over. It's all right. It's right on. Okay, and then I'll make it even right here. I'll mark for my holes. Make sure they marked good. Yeah, so we've got the holes there. I'll cut my line. So this is the bottom. I'll know that. The opposite side of the spirit. Okay, so the next time I do this, it'll be sort of blind, so that there, push it forward, screw it down. That should be all right. All right, so I just beveled the edges, sanded everything. Oh, I forgot to cut my hole. So I'm just gonna do a 3/8 hole in the center. Okay, so yeah, I just got some cheap old deck paint, it's just what I had. So I'm gonna throw that on. Okay, so I got 2 coats on my board there, and I put the little inserts in there. Now I'm just filling up this with extra foam. I just got this white foam here, just been cutting pieces, filling them in where the mice ate it. And that was already in there. A couple little spots right here. So I just cut little pieces of foam. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to fill the voids. All right, I'm just going to put that piece there just to give it something. Wiring this light up. So that's looking. This is sort of like a standard cover I just got on eBay. Obviously I didn't sew this myself. So we're gonna have to work with it a little bit, but it's looking all right. Starting from the middle, going out. I had to get that front in there because there wasn't a lot of fabric for whatever reason. So I think I'm just gonna keep working the sides like this. Need to leave those holes exposed. Just want to let the light do the work. Pulling that in. So you can actually staple right into the plastic housing of the light to hold the material in. Okay, we need to cut this out of the way so we can access that hole. For the bolt. I'm just going to spray some rust proofing on this. This is Rust Cure nice stuff. On there. Put the bolts in. gonna use this. Hopefully. All right, so there's the finished product, guys. Turned out all right. I'm not a professional upholsterer. It's got a few bumps back here from where I was filling stuff in, but it's comfortable and it feels solid. And I got the light working, everything, the brake light, tail light. Looks pretty good back here. I'm working on the whole undercarriage right now, and I'll be making another video on that. I'm just waiting for some parts. All new bogies, bearings, back sprocket. So if you're into that, stay tuned. This is very similar to the Elan, so if anyone's looking for information on the Elan, this is pretty well the same deal. Anyway, thank you for watching.